Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check device storage on a MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is of course go and open your MacBook and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. Now let's see what we have in front of us here else. So in the top left corner we have the Finder, we have the File and Edit options, we have the View, Go, Window, and the Help option. In the top right corner we have, as you can see, the date, Wi-Fi, your battery, and those things. And in the bottom of the screen, you can see that we have all of your applications. Well, not all of them, but the ones that you're using the most. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and check device storage on a MacBook. So, in the top left corner of the screen, you need to go and click on the Apple logo, as so. Then, from the drop-down menu, select About this Mac. So this is the first thing that you can see. And here you'll have some of the information. So in the window that appears, you need to click on Storage tab. When you go to more information, this will display an overview of your storage, showing how much space is used and what types of files are taking up space. For a more detailed look, click on Manage button. That button will open the storage management window where you can see recommendations for freeing up space, a breakdown of storage usage by category, and options to optimize storage. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.